Hi everyone. So today I have prepared an animal style workout. So today is day 9 of our workout. So today we are finishing off everything. I hope you guys can hear me. We're finishing off everything. So after this one, it's day 10. So after this one, we have a full body workout. So I have prepared some 4 beginner exercises, some 4 intermediate exercises, and some no, yeah, 2 or 1. Maybe we have a bonus one, 2 or 1 advanced exercise. So some will have progressions. We'll see as we go. So let's get into the first one. So the first one we have a bear crawl. So it's a bear crawl like that. Bear crawl with it, you know. And the second one is we have a catwalk. Catwalk. I like to go like that. And the third one is we have a crab walk. Crab walk. So you can go backwards, frontwards, sideways, another sideway. I like to also rotate. So you can play around with some rotation. And the fourth one is cat stretching. I don't know, but cat stretching, I've enjoyed this one. So stretch from one side. So you kind of go like this. You're gonna see my left side to this one side. So you kind of put one foot forward and then you rotate with this hand like that, and then kind of playing like that. If you can get it. So each and every side of this exercise is kind of doing the same thing. So exercise number 5 is we have the lizard walk. I know this is advanced, but I'm gonna make it as intermediate as it can be. And you go back. On how you go back depends on these hand and this foot to kind of go back. So we go back, that foot lands back, and this foot lands over here. As much as you are going like that. And the next one, level 6, gorilla. No, that's it. About one walk. Side. This is my favorite. It's a monkey jump. I like to do this one. Is kind of go like that. So you kind of and then land. Kind of land. I like to do it with only my hand and my foot like that, and just this one kind of going that direction, and also your leg is kind of extending into that direction so that you can be able to land like that, and come back, and then switch sides into other that. But you can also do it with also both of your hands. You can land, jump like that, and then find a way to progress into one hand jump to the other side. It's kind of fun. Exercise number 8 is some flea jumps. This one is very, very hard. Boom, boom. So I kind of go like that down, and then jump. Maybe you can do something like that. So kind of boom with it. The last exercise. This one is very, very hard. King of them all. It was hard for me to learn this exercise. This jump also, it was hard for me to learn it, but now I can learn it. So that's a frog jump. So we go forward, kind of forward, like that. But it's like you're extending your hands forward, extend them forward, and then as soon as you're here, you can just sweep like that. Just sweep. And also for beginners, you can just work your way up. I know a frog jump is not quite a beginner workout, but you can just kind of play with it, just how would you want to do a frog jump. Also, you can do something like that, Please guys, when you are practicing all these exercises, make sure that you do them in a safe way. I know animal exercises quite fun, but at the same time injury can happen, whatever. So please be careful when you do these exercises. Regress when you want to regress exercises. And also, if you feel like you want to push yourself into that limit also, you can progress yourself and get into where you would want to see yourself doing all of these exercises. Kind of fun to do animal exercises, or maybe do something that you haven't done before. And I usually don't post animal exercises because I'm sure you guys, that's not what you usually look for, but it could also be beneficial if you do these exercises. It could also increase your mobility, increase your stability, increase your joint stability, increase your elasticity, your flexibility, your hip flexibility, shoulder flexibility, and all those parts where you might need some sort of flexibility. Animal workouts are quite strength training, cardio, mobility, Pilates. Mix them all together to get every true strength that you can get into all of these combination of exercises that are quite in a separate ways. So I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. It's raining right now. And subscribe, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Red Note. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.